In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Google Meet. We'll start right from the browser so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred browser and head to a search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you have permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you might need someone with the right access to complete the installation. Once you're in HubSpot, look toward the top of the screen for the Marketplace icon. It's usually in the main navigation bar. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose the App Marketplace. This is the central place where you can find, install, and manage integrations that extend HubSpot's functionality. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Google Meet. You should see the Google Meet integration appear in the results. Click into the Google Meet listing to open its detail page. Take a moment to review the description and permissions so you understand what the integration will do, such as connecting meetings and enabling video links inside your HubSpot tools. On the listing page, click Install. If you manage multiple HubSpot accounts or portals, you may be prompted to choose which account you want to connect. Select the correct one so the integration lands in the right workspace where your team actually works. Next, you'll see a prompt to continue. Click Continue to proceed through the authorization flow. This step confirms that you're granting the necessary permissions for HubSpot and Google Meet to talk to each other securely. You may see a second confirmation screen. Go ahead and click Continue again to finalize the setup. If you're asked to review scopes or permissions, read them briefly and make sure they align with your organization's needs before confirming. That's it for the installation. After a few moments, the integration will complete. If things don't show up immediately, give it a minute and refresh your browser. From here, your users can start benefiting from Google Meet links being available where they schedule and manage meetings in HubSpot. If you ever need to verify the connection or adjust options, you can revisit the apps page in the Marketplace later. Thanks for following along. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll have HubSpot and Google Meet working together smoothly in just a couple of minutes.